What's up guys, it's me Simran and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful, dainty, delicate gold circle necklace, and you can wear this necklace every day. It's so simple and it matches everything and I love it. So let's get into it. So for this project you're going to need some chain, a jump ring, your choice what size you want, some flat nose pliers, and any one works, some round nose pliers, and some cutting pliers. So for your first step of this necklace, all you're going to need is your chain, and I decided to use just an old chain from a gold necklace that I had. But if you can't find an old chain, you can just simply go to like your craft store, like your local Michaels or Hobby Lobby, etc., and buy chain yourself. And all you have to do is wrap it around your neck and then cut it to the length you want. And for reference, this one is about 16 inches all the way around, and I personally like shorter necklaces, but if you like them longer, you can either find like a longer chain from an older necklace, or you can just cut the chain yourself to the length you want. So you're going to take your chain, see how it's folded in half like mine. All I did was just like fold the chain, and I'm going to take my cutting pliers, and I'm going to go to the middle of the chain where that little fold is, and I'm just going to snip it just like that. So now, as you can see, I cut it in the middle, so now I have two strands, and I just have the clasp closed so that they don't kind of get lost. So it's just open at the end so that we can slide the jump ring on for the next step. So now I'm going to grab my jump ring, and I chose any size that I chose like the size that I wanted, and I personally like smaller ones, but you can make your own circle out of wire, or you can just find an old jump ring. This one was from an old necklace once again. And I'm just going to open it slightly just so I can fit the chain through just like that. I'm going to take one end of my chain and I'm going to slip the link onto the jump ring. And you want to make sure that your jump ring actually fits through the links, or else you will have to use smaller jump rings to put it on, which might not look as good, or you will have to shape the link, which is very difficult. So I made sure from the beginning that this jump ring would fit through the link. So I have one side on, just like that. It's hooked onto one of the chain sides. And now I'm going to take the other side of the chain and I'm going to put it on the jump ring. I'm going to slip on the link just like I did with the first side of the chain. So it doesn't really matter how you put it on because you haven't closed the jump ring yet. So I'm just going to slide it on the same way, and it's a very simple step. So now that you have both chain pieces on your jump ring, I'm just going to close it with my flat nose pliers, and while I'm closing it, you want to make sure that there's no gaps between the closure, or else your chain might slip through depending on how thin it is. So I kind of just squished it together and like closed them really tightly and kind of bonded it so that it would stay closed, and then while I'm wearing it, it wouldn't open and fall off because nobody wants that to happen. So as you can see, very tight closure, no gaps between the two ends of the jump ring, and make sure not to press too hard because you don't want to scratch your wire or your jump ring. So that's basically it for this necklace. It's very simple, and if you by chance didn't have an old chain, then all you have to do is add a clasp, and I could do a video for that if you guys want me to. And it's just so beautiful and delicate, and I wear it every day, and it's just so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the necklace, and I'll see you next time. Bye!